Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to show you the best sports streaming applications you should have on your Android TV and how to install them even if you don't have Play Store. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube videos for more important videos like this. So if you are interested in getting applications in which you can watch live sports, this video is for you and might want to watch right up to the end of this video because I'm about to show you secret applications to install and how to possibly install them to your Android TV. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install this application using Unlinked application, and I'm going to show you step by step. So for us to install application using Unlinked, we have to first of all install the Unlinked application to our Android TV. And to install Unlinked, we're going to be using another application called Downloader. So if you don't have Downloader on your Android TV, then follow me attentively. In the description of this video, I've attached a link that can help you install Downloader to your Android TV. Now, Unlink is a third-party application that helps you install libraries or add libraries of applications that you can install apps to your Android TV, and I'm just about to show you how to get Unlink. So if you have installed Downloader with the link in the description, just go ahead and launch Downloader, and here's how it looks like. Now once launch Downloader, is going to come up with something or an interface like this. So just go ahead and type in this code. The code I'm about to type in is 10381. So type in the code 10381 and just go ahead and launch. How this code works is that once you're installing an application on Downloader with a code, once you type in the right code and launch it, the application or the app file is just going to automatically download to your Android TV. And as you can see on my screen here, Unlink is about to start downloading just about right now. So this is the Unlink application downloaded, and after it's downloaded, what we have to do is just install the application to Android TV so we can use it. So to install, just click on the install option here, and the application is just going to start installing in a couple of minutes. And once it's installed, it's just going to show this, and just go ahead and click done. Now delete the app file from your Android TV just to save space and not accumulate lots of unnecessary applications on your Android TV. Once that's done, just go back to your multimedia, and as you can see, the Unlinked application has been installed to my Android TV. So what we do here right now is to go ahead and launch the Unlinked application. Just as I explained earlier, on Unlinked, what you have to do is to add a library code in which is going to bring in applications, various numbers of applications, categories of applications that you can install to your Android TV. And the library code we are going to use here is called everything. So just go ahead and type everything on your on link and then click on OK. Once you type everything and click OK, a library is going to load just as you're about to see on the screen right now. So the library is just going to load. Everything is a code. Please don't make any mistake. Type in the right code and launch. So the library is just going to launch like this, and here is it. Now you can go ahead and read this. Now before we even go ahead, some of the applications in this library might not fully work on your smart TV depending on the regional location in which you are. So to access all full abilities or features of some of the applications, you might want to use a VPN. In the description of this video, I've added two VPNs that you can click and install or purchase and have access to most of these applications without any restriction. So there is NordVPN and there is Surfshark, which you can click in the description of this video and have up to 83 and 73% off of your first subscription and even 3 months for free. So once you are done, just go ahead and launch the library, and it's going to bring you to this category of applications. There are lots of applications here. I'm blurring this for purposes of copyright. So you are going to see lots of applications, and all you have to do is to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to come up to an option that says sport applications. So there are around 8 applications there. As you can if you follow attentively, you're going to see about 8 of the applications, and you just have to go ahead and choose anyone that you're comfortable with and click on the application for once. So choose anyone you want to download or install and click in it once, then a pop-up is going to show up like this, and then you're going to click on download, and the application will be downloaded and installed to your Android TV. There is no complications, there is no limitations. Just go ahead and install the applications and start using on your Android TV, and it might facilitate you if you're using a VPN to access such application. Subscribe.